How to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Well, the process is pretty simple, so let me run it through easy. Well, you have two different options in general. The first is you'll have the brightness button on your keyboard, basically on your F3 or F4 button or F2. In order to use that, you'll have to press the function key and F3 or F2 associated brightness key at once to increase or decrease your brightness. So as you can see, I'm using the keyboard right now. The other option is you can tap on the little Wi-Fi tabs and these tabs here at the bottom where it has Wi-Fi, sound and battery tab. And once you tap on it, you can see the brightness tab here as well. You can click with your mouse and you can adjust it as well. So this is how you can adjust brightness, your screen brightness on your Windows on 10 and 11 as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.